Okay everybody, here I am. This is a new Kraken 580. Just got my new secondary shaft in the mail, put it in last night. Couldn't wait to get a flight in after work. I'm just gonna probably hover it right now. This will be the first flight. I'm working on schools all day, come on. Okay, here we go. Has a brain system in it. Stunt one's at 2100 RPM. $2,300. So right now I'm just kind of letting those gears get meshed together and letting everything come together. See if there's any weird tendencies. Always check your heli when you build it. This is the first flight. So now we'll check the gain of the head. It looks pretty good. Very linear feeling. Don't want to do anything crazy. We're just flying the helicopter. Give it its 3.5 minutes and then we're going to take a look. Flying very good. This is the MSH Brain 2. Try stunt mode 2. There's 2450. $580 the revolutions. Back to 2300 again. Normal mode. Old mode. Well, I really like it. Sorry for all the noise in the background, but you know, we had to do it. So here's a little walk around. I'm gonna show you the inside now. I'm using some Spectrum servos, the minis. Spectrum 5070 A5070 HV servos. We're running them at 8 volts on the Hobby Wing 130. We've got an X-Nova 4025 1120 kV, and I can put my hand on it, so it's not hot at all. I'm running the stock 22 tooth pinion pulley basically, and everything's working good. Looks like my belt went a little low, maybe. It'll be all right. Probably bring my belt up a micron. Other than that, we're looking good. And check for little areas in here that get hot or something. Looks like I got some lube coming out a little bit, but that's expected. Anyway, all in all, I like it. This is Justin Co, Horizon Hobby, SAB USA. This is where you can get this new Kraken 580. The second batch won't have the secondary shaft issue. It's got a new secondary shaft in it basically because the first one wasn't hard enough, so now it's got a hard shaft. Anyway, it seems to work. Thanks for watching. Go show.